Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Sharon Grace Onabia, 29 years of age. I am from Davao City. I was a helper for 4 years with one family, a father, mother, and one kid, 5 years old. My main duty was cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing, and washing cars. I have also experience in teaching since 2017 to 2018. I love to teach children, and I know how to teach children. I will give educational activities for them. And also, if I have given a chance to get hard, I will really do my best to teach your children like science, math, English, and any kind of educational activities. Thank you.
Thank you.